Dear students, once again I, Mr. Vishal Shah, Assistant Professor, Krishna Institute of Pharmacy, Karad, welcome you all to this second part of the lecture Effect of Substituents on Reactivity of Monosubstituted Benzene. In previous lecture, we have discussed about what is the effect of substituent on the reactivity of monosubstituted benzene and which are the two different effects that are responsible for showing this difference. One was inductive effect, other one was the resonance effect. In previous part we have discussed about the inductive effect. In this video we are going to discuss about the resonance effect. So first we will see what are the different learning outcomes of this session. After this session, students will be able to define what is the meaning of resonance effect, give different examples of functional groups which shows the resonance effect, explain different types of resonance effect. So we will see one by one what is the meaning of resonance effect. Now in case of inductive effect, we have seen that the inductive effect is shown by the sigma system. Means if there is a presence of the sigma bond in the given compound, then only it will show the inductive effect. These inductive effects were of two types: electron donating and electron withdrawing. Similarly, the resonance effect are those effects that occur through the pi system. So as inductive effect is shown by sigma system, these resonance effects are shown by the pi system. Now this resonance effect can occur only when the substituent contains the lone pair of electron or the pi bonds and can be represented by the resonating structure. Means for a compound or the substituent group to show a resonance effect, it should have the lone pair of electron or the pi bond. Means a group which is having only the sigma bond, they does not show resonance effect. For example, alkyl groups. Alkyl group does not have any lone pair of electron as well as they does not have any pi bond, due to which alkyl group does not show resonance effect. Means alkyl group only shows the inductive effect. Also there are certain groups like OH, hydroxyl group, which is consisting of lone pair of electron. So hydroxyl group shows inductive effect as well as the resonance effect. Also we have seen that inductive effect is of two types. One is electron donating and other one is electron withdrawing. Out of that, hydroxyl group, as oxygen is more electronegative, it shows electron donating inductive effect. Further, whatever the resonance effects are there, these effects can be either again electron donating or electron withdrawing. Now electron donating, for example, if methoxy group is present, these types of the groups shows electron donating resonance effect, where electrons are pushed towards the benzene ring. Means like inductive effect, if inductive effect is electron donating, then electrons are pushed towards the benzene ring. Similarly, if resonance effect is electron donating, then in that case also the electrons are pushed towards the benzene ring. Further, these effects occur when resonating structure place a negative charge on the carbon atoms of the benzene ring. So when electron donating resonance effect is observed, these types of the groups place a negative charge on the benzene ring, and due to which what happens, as negative charge is placed on the benzene ring, the net negative charge that is present on the benzene ring, it increases, and that's why whatever the electrophilic substitution reactions are there, they are occurring at more speed when electron donating resonating groups that are present on the benzene ring. Similarly, second type of the resonating effect that is shown, that is the electron withdrawing, where functional groups like carbonyl, this functional group where the electrons are withdrawn from the benzene ring. Such a types of the functional group shows the electron withdrawing resonance effect. Means like inductive effect, resonance effect is also two type. One is electron donating, where electrons are pushed towards the benzene ring, and electron withdrawing, where the electrons are withdrawn from the benzene ring. Now these effects occur when a resonance structure places a positive charge on the benzene ring. Means if electron donating resonating effect is there, these groups place a negative charge, as you see over here, while exactly opposite, if electron withdrawing effect is there, then these groups place a positive charge on the carbon atoms of the benzene ring. And due to which what happens, if a positive charge is present on the benzene ring, electrophiles which are also positively charged, they are less attracted towards the benzene ring. So if electron withdrawing resonating group is present on the benzene ring, such a types of the functional group shows a net decreased rate of reaction. Say for example, carbonyl functional group. Now electron donating resonance effect is observed when electron donating group having lone pair of electrons on the atom is adjacent to the benzene ring. Means this effect, that is the donating effect, is observed when the atom that is having lone pair of electron is adjacent to the benzene ring, while this system activates the aromatic ring by increasing the electron density on the ring through the resonance donating effect. Means if such a types of the functional groups are present, they activate the benzene ring by giving the electron density towards the your benzene ring, making the ring more electron rich. Common examples of these atoms include NOx, means nitrogen, oxygen or halogen. If they are directly attached to the benzene ring, they show electron donating resonance effect. Now here you can see there is some contraindicatory effects that are shown by this particular nitrogen oxygen, because if we consider the inductive effect, as nitrogen and oxygen, these two atoms are more electronegative, that's why they show electron withdrawing inductive effect, while as you see over here in this case they show electron donating resonance effect. Means one effect they are showing is a withdrawing, and other effect that is shown by them is donating. So these two opposite effects are shown by the nitrogen atom and the oxygen, that is the amino functional group and the hydroxyl group. But what happens that out of these two effects, that is the electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron donating resonance effect, one effect is dominated, and which effect is dominated we will discuss afterwards. But just you have to focus, or you have to remember over here, nitrogen and oxygen, if they are directly bound to the benzene ring, they show two different types of the effect. One is electron withdrawing inductive effect, and other one is the electron donating resonance effect. One is withdrawing, other one is the donating. First we will discuss about the electron donating resonance effect. Now as we have discussed that the resonance effect is shown by those functional groups which are having the lone pair of electron. Now here you can consider that whatever that particular resonating group is there, here we have considered it as a D, and here there is a presence of the lone pair of electrons. Now if this functional group is directly attached to your benzene ring, it donates the lone pair of electron to the benzene ring, and due to which what happens, net electron density that is present on the benzene ring, it increases. Means the electron donating resonating group place a negative charge on the benzene ring, as you see over here. So what happens, these lone pair of electrons are donated to this carbon atom, due to which what happens, its valency becomes 5. So this carbon atom breaks a bond with this carbon atom. That's why these electrons are shifted towards this carbon atom, and as this bond is broken down, here there is appearance of the single bond will take place, and the electrons are present on this carbon atom. Now here you can see this carbon atom is unstable, due to which means it is having extra electrons. To get this stability, it donates these electrons to this carbon atom and it forms a new pi bond, due to which this pi bond is broken down and the electrons are shifted toward this carbon atom. Means here you can see the charge is placed first at the ortho position, then this charge, negative charge, is placed at the para position. Further, these electrons are shifted to this carbon atom to get the stability, due to which this pi bond is broken down and the charge is placed at this second ortho position. And togetherly these resonating structures are possible that we can write down for a group which is electron donating. So togetherly we can write down a resonating hybrid of this particular structure, where you can see if a electron donating resonating group is there, it places a negative charge at the ortho and the para position, and due to which as negative charge is increased over here, due to which what happens, that the whatever the electrophiles is there, this electrophile is readily attracted towards this type of the functional groups where electron donating resonance effect is observed. So if electron donating groups are there, they increases the rate of reaction because negative charge is placed, and as negative charge is placed, as electrophiles are having a positive charge, they readily binds to this particular negative charge. Also, when electron donating group is there, it will carry out the direction of the substitution towards the either ortho position or the meta position or the para position, because here meta position does not have any charge, negative charge, due to which it is considered as a positively charged, and electrophile which is having a positive charge, it will be attracted towards the either ortho or para position. Say for example, it can be easily represented by this diagram, a T, where T represents a negative charge that is placed on this particular benzene ring. This is the ortho position and this one is the para position. Then next effect that we are going to discuss, electron withdrawing resonance effect. It is exactly opposite, because here what happens, whatever the lone pair of electrons that are present over here, they are not directly attracted towards this particular, they are directly not attached to the benzene ring. For example, NO2. Here oxygen is more electronegative as compared to the nitrogen atom, due to which oxygen withdraws the electron from the nitrogen atom, so that the nitrogen withdraws electron from your benzene ring. That's why here this particular arrow is shown where these electrons are transferred towards this particular group. And here you can see likewise a positive charge is placed at the ortho and para position. If you remember, in earlier case the negative charge was placed at the ortho and para position, and here a positive charge is placed at the ortho and para position. Means always charge is placed at the ortho and para position. One time it is a negative, other time it is a positive. So when a positive charge is placed, it can be shown by the inverted T, where you can say negative charge is placed at this particular meta position. And that's why when electrophiles undergo, when electron withdrawing resonating groups are present, in that case they are attracted toward the meta position, because here no positive charge is there, means you can say it is a negative charge, and that's why these groups are attracted toward the meta position. So this is about the resonating effect. Thank you.